How to double your lemon harvest. Simple tips for a bountiful yield. Are you looking to double your lemon harvest? Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, growing lemons can be incredibly rewarding. Lemons are not only versatile in the kitchen, but also packed with health benefits. In this video, we'll share practical tips and tricks to help you double your lemon yield. From proper planting techniques to effective care routines, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The first step to a successful lemon harvest is selecting the right variety. Some lemon trees are more productive than others. Popular varieties include Eureka Curry, known for its year-round production. Meyer Lemon, a sweeter variety that's easier to grow in containers. Lisbon Lemon, a hardy tree that produces abundant fruit. Choose a variety that suits your climate and growing conditions. If you're unsure, consult your local nursery for advice. Lemons thrive in warm, sunny environments. Here's how to ensure your lemon tree gets the best start. Sunlight. Lemon trees need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil. Well-draining soil with a slightly acidic pH, 6.0 to 7.0, is ideal. Spacing. Plant your tree in an area with enough space for its roots to spread. If growing in a pot, choose a large container with drainage holes. Overwatering or underwatering can harm your lemon tree. Follow these watering tips. Consistency. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Water deeply once or twice a week, depending on the weather. Mulching. Apply mulch around the base of the tree to retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Drainage. Ensure proper drainage to prevent root rot. Lemon trees are heavy feeders and require regular fertilization to produce abundant fruit. Use a balanced fertilizer with equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, NPK. Apply fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Additionally, consider adding organic compost or citrus-specific fertilizers for extra nutrients. Pruning is essential for maintaining a healthy and productive lemon tree. Here's how to do it. Remove dead branches. Cut away any dead or diseased branches to prevent the spread of disease. Shape the tree. Prune to maintain an open canopy, allowing sunlight to reach all parts of the tree. Encourage new growth. Trim back overly long branches to stimulate new growth and fruit production. Pests and diseases can significantly reduce your lemon harvest. Keep an eye out for common issues like aphids. Spray with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Citrus leaf miner. Use sticky traps or organic pesticides. Fungal diseases. Ensure proper air circulation and avoid overwatering. Regularly inspect your tree and take action at the first sign of trouble. If your lemon tree isn't producing enough fruit, it might need help with pollination. While lemon trees are self-pollinating, you can boost fruit set by using a small brush. Gently transfer pollen from one flower to another, encouraging bees. Plant flowers nearby to attract pollinators. Lemon trees are sensitive to extreme temperatures. Protect your tree by frost protection. Cover the tree with a frost blanket or move potted trees indoors during cold snaps. Shade cloth. Use shade cloth to protect the tree from scorching heat. Knowing when to harvest is crucial for the best flavor and yield. Lemons are ready to pick when. Color. They turn bright yellow. Texture. The skin is slightly soft to the touch. Size. They reach their full size, depending on the variety. Avoid leaving overripe fruit on the tree, as it can reduce future yields. Growing lemons takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Stay consistent with your care routine. And don't get discouraged if your tree doesn't produce fruit right away. With proper care, your lemon tree will thrive and provide you with a bountiful harvest. By following these tips, you can double your lemon harvest and enjoy fresh, homegrown lemons year-round. Remember, the key to success is providing your tree with the right conditions, regular care, and a little patience. Happy gardening! If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.